You probably disliked Teen Titans Go the moment you saw it. The art style was simpler, the jokes were louder, and it felt like Cartoon Network had replaced something we cared about. And the reaction makes sense because Teen Titans meant a lot to people. The original show wasn't just a superhero cartoon, it had long story arcs, emotional weight, and characters that actually grew. And when it ended, it didn't feel finished, so fans waited. And during that wait, Teen Titans didn't disappear. It reran, lived online, and became nostalgic very fast. So when people heard Teen Titans was coming back, they expected a continuation, a darker tone, or some kind of closure. But that's not what Teen Titans Go was. When it premiered in 2013, the difference was obvious. Shorter episodes, simpler design, absurd non-stop humor. And Robin wasn't the same leader, Raven lost her mystery, the stakes were gone, and to fans it didn't feel like a reboot, it felt like a replacement. But here's where the misunderstanding really starts. Because people kept asking, why didn't they just continue the original show? Well, because Teen Titans Go was never meant to. By the early 2010s, Cartoon Network was struggling really bad. Serialized shows were really risky because once you missed an episode, all the kids tune out. Networks needed shows that could be watched in any order, that were instantly recognizable, and that worked in short bursts. And Teen Titans Go was built for exactly that purpose. All the characters weren't ruined, they were exaggerated. Robin became control issues, Raven became emotional shutdown, and Cyborg and Beast Boy became eternal childhood. It's parody and not replacement. The show even knows people hated it. It openly jokes about reboots, nostalgia, and fans wanting the old series back. And that's not ignorance, it's self awareness. But the uncomfortable truth is that Teen Titans Go wasn't made for the audience that grew up with Teen Titans. It was made for a new generation, a younger generation. And that's why it was misunderstood. Not because it's secretly great, but because it was never trying to be what people wanted it to be. So the question isn't just whether you hated Teen Titans Go, it's whether you hate the show or what it actually represents.
What's your mother's name?
Martha.
My mommy's name is Martha, too. Wait, what's your father's name?
Jonathan?
Mine's Thomas!